Why do 100% of peacocks prefer road trips over flights? Because airline legroom is a joke. In January 2018, Ventico, an artist from NYC, rolled up to Newark Airport with her emotional support peacock Dexter. Yep, you heard that right, a full-grown peacock in all its majestic, iridescent glory. Ventico had called ahead, certain she could bring Dexter on board. Spoiler alert, she couldn't. United Airlines staff took one look at Dexter and said, "Nope." Peacocks, it turns out, aren't great at fitting into economy seats, Ventico pleaded, explaining how Dexter was her feathered therapist. United stood firm, citing safety and space issues. Dexter, meanwhile, just strutted around like he owned the place. The story didn't end there. Dexter went viral. Social media blew up with pics and vids of the airport's most fabulous passenger. Some people backed Ventico, others were like, a peacock? Seriously? In the end, Ventico and Dexter hit the road to LA, turning a denied flight into a cross-country adventure. So, if you see a peacock on the highway, don't be surprised, it's probably Dexter living his best road trip life. Now, let's fast forward to the epic road trip that followed. Ventico and Dexter hit the open road, turning what could have been a stressful situation into an unforgettable journey. They started their cross-country adventure from Newark, New Jersey, with their final destination set for Los Angeles, California. Along the way, Dexter quickly became a roadside celebrity. Imagine pulling up to a gas station and seeing a peacock casually strutting around. Yep, that was Dexter, and he loved every minute of it. Ventico documented their travels on social media, where followers eagerly awaited updates on Dexter's escapades, from posing in front of iconic landmarks to making new friends at rest stops. Dexter's road trip was nothing short of legendary. They even stopped at quirky roadside attractions like the world's largest ball of twine and Cadillac Ranch. Dexter, of course, took it all in stride, his feathers shimmering in the sun as he explored new territories. By the time they reached LA, Dexter had not only conquered the open road, but also won the hearts of thousands. So while Dexter might not have had his moment in the sky, he certainly made the most of his time on the ground, and who knows, maybe one day Dexter will trade his road trip adventures for a new kind of journey. But for now, he's content being the most famous road-tripping peacock in America. So next time you're on a road trip, keep an eye out. You just might see Dexter living his best life on the highway. As we reflect on Dexter's remarkable journey, it brings us to a broader question. What kind of relationship should humans have with animals? Here are some questions to ponder. Question 1. How can we make sure our pets are happy and healthy? Answer: by providing them with proper nutrition, regular exercise, and lots of love and attention. Question 2. What should we do to help wild animals? Answer: support conservation efforts, protect their habitats, and reduce human impact on their environments. Question 3. How can we share the world with animals and still meet our needs? Answer: by adopting sustainable practices and creating spaces that accommodate both human and animal needs. Question 4. What is the right way to treat animals? Answer: with respect, kindness, and consideration for their well-being. Question 5. How can we be kind to animals on farms? Answer: by ensuring they have good living conditions, proper care, and humane treatment. Question 6. Why are animals important to our environment? Answer: they play crucial roles in maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity. Question 7. How can we save animals that are in danger of disappearing? Answer: by supporting conservation programs, protecting their habitats, and fighting against poaching. Question 8. What are the good things about having pets? Answer: pets offer companionship, emotional support, and can improve our mental and physical health. Question 9. How can we teach others to care about animals? Answer: through education, awareness campaigns, and leading by example. Question 10. How can we help groups that protect animals? Answer: by donating, volunteering, and supporting their initiatives. These questions remind us that our relationship with animals is complex and multifaceted. Dexter's adventure is a testament to the bond that can exist between humans and animals, but it also highlights the responsibilities we carry. Whether it's a peacock on a road trip or a pet at home, every animal deserves respect, care, and love. Let's continue to ponder these questions and strive for a world where both humans and animals can thrive together. Thank you for joining us on Dexter's Journey. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. And remember, always be kind to animals. They're counting on us.